Hello children, in continuation with the angle, today we will see to construct an angle, in equal measure to given angle. Okay, yesterday we seen that how to draw the angle bisector for a given angle, and after that we seen how to draw the, if a measure of angle is given, to construct the angle, and afterwards we are trying to we draw the angle bisector for it. Okay, so today we will see angle equal in measure to given angle. How to draw the angle equal in measure with given angle. So for that, first of all I will draw one angle. Okay, but here we have to use the compass and ruler only. Which one things we have to use? Compass and the ruler. So this is our ruler and this is the compass. That compass, using these two things only we have to construct the angle. Instead of this, we can use the, you can draw the angle, measure the angle, and by using protractor you can draw the angle of given measure. But instead of using protractor, we have to use this compass and ruler for constructing the angle of equal measure. So for that we will draw one angle at first. So first of all I will show you the acute angle. Suppose I draw here this is the angle. I don't know what is the measure of this angle. I don't know what is the measure of this angle. So this is angle ABC. So the steps of construction are, we have to take a sufficient distance. Sufficient distance means what? Yesterday I forgot to tell you. That is, we don't want to take not so less distance like this, or not so more distance which is more than angle, or it is very small distance. We have to take a medium distance. It will be easy for us for the construction. So first of all you take this compass and draw the arc which intersect the arms of an angle. Okay, so in this way you have to draw the arc. You just name it E. Okay, now we have to draw the angle which is identical for this angle ABC. Okay, so for that I will draw the angle PQR. Angle PQR which is identical to ABC. For that I will draw, first of all we have to do the, here we just draw the arc. Otherwise, first of all you draw the ray Q, and this is R. Okay, ray QR. You have to draw the ray at first, and we are drawing the angle PQR. We are drawing the angle PQR which is identical to ABC. Okay, so now take compass. Just which distance we took it here. Okay, same distance you do, just put this point, middle point of this protractor on Q and draw the arc. Okay, drawn. Now what we have to do, we have to put this middle point on this point E. Okay, and take the distance till D from this intersection of arc and the arm of a angle to the intersection of arc and the another arm of a angle. So put it on E and take a distance D. See here, all of you, I have to take the distance DE in my compass. Which distance I took, just see properly. Okay, after taking this distance you just put this point on this intersection of this arc, first arm and the arc, and draw the arc which intersect the first arc. Okay, now I got the point here, this point, and that point is, suppose S. I got, after drawing the arc which is intersect the first one, I got point S. Now I will draw the line which is passing from Q, that is this ray's end point, and this S. Okay, see, observe all of you how I am doing. See here. Okay, and now draw the line ray which is passing from Q and S. Okay, Q and S. Now I will check my construction is correct or wrong. So just take the protractor, put it on angle on this B, okay, and measure the angle ABC at first term. How much is the measure? Now if I will measure this angle, my angle is 43. If you see here, measure of my angle is the 43. Okay, see 40 and this 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. After that 3 lines are there. Now if I will check it, keep it here on Q and I will measure it, you will notice that its measure is also 40 and then afterwards 3 lines are there. So in this way you can draw the we can construct the angle equal in measure to the given angle by using compass and the ruler. Okay, now we will see how to construct the angle, obtuse angles. We will do the practice. This we done the acute angle and this is the point P, suppose, this is point P and this is the angle PQR, which is identical to angle ABC. Okay, now in exam suppose question came, draw the angle PQR equal in measure with the ABC. So you have to, by using compass and ruler, the same construction you have to do for this. Now I will show how to draw the angle bisector for the angle of this angle. So first of all, draw angle, any obtuse angle. Okay, so I drawn here, this is the obtuse angle and its name is XYZ. Now draw the ray, draw the ray, draw the ray. So for XYZ we have to draw, suppose question I will write here, draw angle L angle LMN element which is equal in measure equal in measure of XYZ angle X Y Z. Okay, and use here they are telling use compass and ruler. Okay, so first of all what we will do here, we will draw the XYZ. We draw the which ray we drawn and it is suppose MN. Why M written here? Because M is the midpoint here and midpoint means only the vertex of the angle. Okay, now take a compass, take a sufficient distance, put this point on Y and draw the arc passing from this both. Okay, after that put this and name it as a suppose AB. Take distance AB in your compass from this point B. Put this metal point on B and take a distance of till A. Now I took, if you see here, I took the distance from A to A in my compass. Okay, now put this metal point on M. Don't change the distance now. Okay, it is important. Now draw the arc. Sorry, first of all we have drawn the arc. Okay, then take the distance from B to A. Okay, take the distance from B to A in your compass and now this point, you just name this point as a suppose I gave this name to K. Now put this metal point on K and draw the arc. Okay, and now you just see if it is not intersecting, just take the distance of MK in your compass and just extend this arc little bit, and you will get the point of intersection, and I will name it P. Okay, and now draw the line passing from M and P. You will get the identical angle for angle XYZ. Okay, now if I will check our figure is correct or wrong. So this is the measure of XYZ is, if you see here, you start measuring from 0. You will see here the measure of XYZ is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, here 90, 100, 110, and after that how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means the measure of this angle is 116. Okay, now I will check the measure of my which angle, that is the LMN angle. Okay, so if I will start from 0, if you see this series, these numbers, it is 100, 110, then here 5 lines, and the next it is 6 line, and it is measure is also how much? 116 degree. Okay, in this way you can draw the angles of equal measure when the, equal measure of to the given angle by using compass and the ruler. Okay, now we will see how to draw the how to construct an angle equal measure for right angle. Now we will see how to draw the angle, identical angle for given angle, and for that we will see the for right angle how to draw. The same process is there, so same steps we have to follow. So this is angle, this is a right angle. Okay, right angle means its measure is 90 degree. So I will draw here angle of 90 degree. Okay, so this is the 90 degree. I will name it as a PQR. Okay, now this is the angle PQR. I have to draw the angle which is what? Identical to this. So first of all draw the ray . So this is ray TP. Suppose this is ray TP. Now the steps of construction: take a sufficient distance in compass, put it on Q, draw the arc which intersect both the arms of an angle. Now put this point on this T, don't change the distance. Okay, now take a distance of this arc in a compass, arc of intersection and arms distance in your compass. Okay, now put this metal point on this point of arc and the, okay, and draw the line passing from this point of intersection and this point. It is yes point. Okay, and now if you measure the angle, you will notice that this I will already drawn with the 90 degree, and if you check this angle also, you will get it. See, its measure is how much? It is 90 degree. In this way you can construct the angle equal in measure to given angle by using compass and the ruler. Okay, then next point is the, here try this inside, construct an angle bisector to obtain an angle of 30 degree. So try this activity also you have to complete. It's easy, and after that you have to solve the practice set number 3. and then we have finished our this lesson angle, and we are going to test on our next lectures. Okay, thank you.